Hello everyone, it's nice to see you again. And this is the weather right now in Moscow city. In the morning when I went to work, everything was clean, no snow, nothing. But now when I just got out of the work, and look how it looks, really it's crazy. Here we go, everywhere is white, and it's cold and freezing, and the wind is very cold. Just it's blowing in my face. Even sometimes I'm not trying to open my eyes, but I have to look away and I have to just step, right, so that I will not fall down somewhere. So that's why I'm just a bit keeping open my eyes. And this is what's going on in Moscow about the weather and about everything actually. And it's nice to see you. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe and click the like, and we'll see you soon again. Take care.